Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, today's weather certainly location dependent. Most areas with warm sunshine this afternoon. Other spots, places like Newport, just stuck in the low clouds and fog all day long, and as a result, the cooler temperatures. Though the sun finally shining out in Westerly, where it was cloudy most of the day. We're going to go to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Now, we are tracking some thunderstorms, but notice the coverage. We're talking about small, very isolated and widely scattered, but strong nonetheless. Tracking one area across coastal Connecticut, another one in southern Worcester County, and one just outside of the Boston area, widely scattered. And here's the direction that they're moving. So this particular thunderstorm cell will pass just north of the Rhode Island border into southern Worcester County, places like perhaps Uxbridge and Douglas, Mass. We'll have to watch this closely. And this one cell near coastal Connecticut, say 45 minutes to an hour, Groton, New London, and perhaps the Westerly area. This is a strong thunderstorm as well. Though notice most spots are not experiencing any widespread thunder, but a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until at least 8 o'clock this evening. Lightning tracker showing enhanced lightning strikes here and here. So the key word here is isolated and localized, but the risk will continue. The watch is in effect in this yellow shaded area until 8 o'clock in the evening, but even beyond 8 o'clock tonight, there's still a chance of a passing shower or thunderstorm. It's just one of those not all locations getting one kind of deal. Downtown Providence, hazy sunshine and warm while it's still gray and cold down in places like Newport. 80 degrees in the city. Compare that to only the low 60s in Newport right now. The wind out of the southwest at 13 miles per hour. I mean, you can clearly see the difference in the high temperatures today. 80s inland, only 68 in Newport. And bottom line, it's just the clouds, the low clouds and fog were very stubborn to burn off near the ocean, whereas inland areas were brightening this afternoon, and the reason why it was so warm. You can see that cooler weather along coastal communities and warmer temperatures the further inland you go right now, with temperatures upper 70s to low 80s. Bank Newport 64 with low clouds and fog, while it's still close to 80 at Emerald Bay Manor in Cumberland, and Pecasset Bay Manor in Johnston close to 80 as well. Tracking a cool front, the leading edge of some slightly drier air. This is acting as the spark in helping to initiate some of these scattered showers and thunderstorms. So for this evening, an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Not all locations will get one. Some will be locally strong. By 11 o'clock at night, 69 degrees. And even beyond 11 o'clock, a passing shower or thunderstorm can't be ruled out. Now, we'll start with clouds and fog early tomorrow morning, 65 to 70, but a better chance of that burning off to some sunshine, some warm sunshine. Lower 80s inland and 70s at the shoreline. Most of the day, the afternoon, will be rain-free. Only a slight risk of a passing thunderstorm. For the most part, it's a bright and warmer day. Temperatures along the south shore in the mid to upper 70s for your Friday afternoon, partly sunny skies. Somewhere between roughly 80 and 85 tomorrow afternoon away from the ocean. Coastal communities, the Cape and the islands will be cooler with readings in the upper 60s. 7-day Futurecast takes us into the weekend, and unfortunately still going with a risk of at least scattered showers and thunderstorms both Saturday and Sunday, upper 70s to lower 80s. I think the only consolation over the weekend is that we're not talking, non-stop rain every hour of the day from sunrise to sunset, but the chance is there. Drier and slightly cooler weather for early next week, Monday and Tuesday. So we'll keep an eye to the sky late this afternoon and this evening. Thunderstorms isolated, so not all spots will catch one.
Okay, thank you, Tony.